Video begins. Hey everyone. Ever found yourself in a tight spot, needing cash before your next payday hits? Maybe it's an unexpected bill, a vet visit, or just something you forgot to budget for. That's where pay advance apps like Beforepay come in. But the big question on everyone's mind is, just how fast can you get that money? Let's get straight to the point. Once you're an eligible Beforepay user, you can get a pay advance in as little as 5 minutes. That's from the moment you hit the cash out button to the money landing in your bank account. Beforepay has made a name for itself by focusing on speed and convenience. The app is available 24/7, which means you can get your cash anytime, day or night, even on weekends or public holidays. Think about that. You're at the checkout line and realize you're a few dollars short. You can open the app, cash out, and have the money in your account by the time you've finished bagging your groceries. So, how do they do it? It's all about their tech. Beforepay uses a fast payment system that allows for near-instant transfers to most major banks. You don't have to wait for business hours or go through a manual approval process. The system automatically assesses your eligibility based on things like your income and pay schedule. Of course, getting your first pay advance might take a little longer. First, you have to download the app and link your bank account. Beforepay then needs to verify your income and set your borrowing limit, which for new users is typically between $50 and $1,000, depending on your financial situation. But once you're set up, cashing out becomes a lightning-fast process. It's important to remember that this isn't free money. There's a fixed 5% transaction fee on each advance, but that's it, no interest, no late fees, and no hidden costs. The repayment is also simple, it's automatically taken out of your next paycheck. So, if you're looking for a quick and reliable way to bridge the gap until payday, Beforepay is designed to get you the money you need, fast. It's all about putting you back in control of your cash flow, right when you need it most.